Welcome to class 8th. This is Rakesh Kumar from Rawal Public School. Today I am here going to discuss the chapter force and pressure. What is force? Force is push or pull on an object. In these pictures you can see that there are the different situations in which person, boys, animals, they are sometimes they push or pull the different objects. Force occurs due to interaction from one object to another, so that's why the force take place. For example, in this picture you can see a man standing behind the car does not move, he apply force to push it, so car moves in the direction of applied force. Exploring force. If two forces acting on the body in the same direction, then the net force becomes the sum of these two forces, F1 and F2. Or suppose the other different situations, if the two forces acting on the object but in opposite direction, then the net force is the difference between the two forces. Effects. Force can make the object to move from rest. Second, force can stop a moving object. You can see the picture. Third one, force can change the direction of an object. So here the batsman hits the ball in different directions. Force can change the shape of an object. Here we can roll the chapati in different shape. So there are the different pictures to show the effects of force. Types of forces, basically two types: contact, non-contact. Contact force is where the upper body remain in direct contact with the object with which we applied force. Contact force is basically of two types: muscular and frictional force. Non-contact, in which our body does not remain in contact with the other object. Basically it is of three types: magnetic, electrostatic and gravitational force. So now discuss in detail muscular force, in which our body muscles work on that particular object. Here are some different pictures which shows that the muscular force is applied. Frictional force always acts opposite to the motion of the object. So here is the ball which stops after some time due to friction, and here is a cyclist which apply brakes to stop the cycle due to friction. Non-contact force, magnetic force, which is applied by the magnet to attract the small pieces of iron. Electrostatic forces, which is developed due to the charges. A plastic straw attracts small pieces of paper due to the force of electrostatic. So this picture shows the electrostatic force. Gravitational force, when an object moves upward and it comes down toward the surface of earth due to gravity. So this happens due to gravitational force. Pressure. Pressure is the force acting on the unit surface area of the object. So pressure can be defined as force per unit area. If area is small, then more is the pressure. If area is more, then less is the pressure. For example, here are the few pictures that shows the different types of pressure. First, it is easier to push the nail with its pointed head because its surface area is very small, so it exerts more pressure, so it easily enters into the wooden block. Second one, it is easier to cut the vegetable with sharp knife than the blunt knife because sharp knife has very small surface area, so it easily exerts pressure on the vegetables, fruits. And third one, the picture of bag in which broad strap is there, so it exerts less pressure on our shoulder. Now liquid also exert pressure on the walls of the containers in all directions. Sometimes it also depends on the depth of the container. At the depth, pressure is more, so water will flow with high speed. Pressure is also exerted by the gases. Here are the pictures that shows balloon inflates when we pass the air into it, so it easily exert pressure. Atmospheric pressure, the pressure which is exerted by the surrounding air on us, and here is the pictures that shows the atmospheric pressures. I hope you all have understood about the force, its types and the pressures. Thank you.